exercises to hit all over the body. Make sure you've got plenty of room around you. Make sure you've got a kettlebell. And we'll try and find some alternatives along the way, just to give you some variation in your workout. So we're going to get warmed up. For this we're going to start with body weight. So we're going to get those feet moving. We're going to start jumping on the spot, just starting to raise that pulse. So we're going to keep that chest lifted. We just want to get those feet moving from side to side. Start getting us ready for the workout. So in today's workout we're going to have 7 rounds of work. In each round we've got 3 exercises. We're going to work part on one side and then partly on the other. Let's flick those heels. Start warming up those hamstrings. Good, nice big flicks. And from there we're going to bring those knees into the front. So nice and light on the toes. Keep that chest up. Keep that core braced. 3, 2, 1. Jump jacks. Your alternate if you need it. Step to the side. Good, we're going to come into the middle. We're rotating across the torso. Nice and light and loose. Stretch out that thoracic spine. So we're just raising that pulse. Loosening everything out. And getting us ready for this main workout. 3, 2, 1. Come back into that middle, we're going to squat. Feet outside the hip width. Chest up. Bump back and down. So don't worry about the speed. Focus on the range. So bump back and down. Chest lifted. Looking at 90-degree bend. Good. 3, 2, 1. Lunges. Nice big step forward. Drop the back knee. Leg to 90 degrees. Drive out and lift up. So step, drop, big push, and drive through and lift. We've got the lift on the way up. Activate those lower abdominals, but it'll also make you drive through the floor more. So step, drop, and lift. Good. We're going to do 1 more each side. So 1 on my right, and then 1 on my left. Good. A few high kicks. So again, stretch into those hamstrings. Bit of a dynamic movement. Over those hips for when we want to start swinging that kettlebell. 3, 2, 1. So we're going to grab a kettlebell. Remember, we're still warming up. We're going to go with something lighter. So from here we're going to do a 2-handed swing. Feet are outside your hip width. Chest is up. We hinge at the hip, push to the floor, and drive. When you're ready, off we go. So I keep my chest lifted, power through the floor. So we tilt, we hit, we squeeze the glutes. Good, keep going. We change to an alternate swing. So our hands switch at the top. We power to the floor. Remember, hinge, drive, squeeze the glutes. Nice work. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Around the world. Should we keep that kettlebell close to the body? Both hands as it passes. Chin lifted. Chest up. Change direction. Let's go the other way. Good. 3, 2, 1. Relax. So, kettlebells down. We should have raised the pulse. Activating those major muscle groups. Body's ready to go. If you need a drink, grab a drink. Round 1, we got 3 moves. So move number 1 is a goblet squat. Roll the kettlebell by the horns. We're going to drop down nice and low. Elbows inside the knee. We push through and restand. That's exercise 1. Exercise number 2 is going to be a strict press. So we're going to come up, shoulder press, down. So stay nice and wide. Push the ceiling. And back in. And move number 3 is going to be an American swing. So, watch out for your lights at home. Swing through. Power to the floor. Kettlebell goes above the head. So then we've got 3 moves. We start at move 1. Goblet squat. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We focus on that range. Bump back and down. Chest up, remember? Nice and low. So open those hips. We focus on the range. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move number 2. So squeeze that core, chest up. Push and drop. Let's go. That kettlebell, rest on the forearm, nice straight wrist. Good, nice work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. American swing. So feet are outside the hip width. Hinge, build up that momentum, bump the head. Let's go. So remember, we get to the top of the swing, no arch in the back. Stay nice and super strong through the core. Keep the back nice and flat. Remember, watch out for your lats. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to move 1. Goblet squat. Let's go. Hold that kettlebell by the horns. Pull it in nice and tight to the chest. Power through the floor. Good. Deep in the range. If you need to recover, recover. Restart whenever you want. 3, 2, 1. Switch that waist to the side. Straight press. Let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. American swing. Remember, big drive to the heels. All the way to the top. Let's go. Hinge. Power through the floor. 15 seconds left, and you're going to earn that break. Break is on its way. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good work. Recover, grab a drink if you want one. Round two. Round two. 3 new moves. Remember, change your weight if you want to. Stay with the same weight if that's all you've got. Tensity's up to you. I'll talk you through the next 2 moves. Move number 1. Figure of 8 to a slingshot. When we slingshot, elbow stays close to the body. Catch the weight up on the collarbone and push back. Move number 2. So we're going to swing, clean, and punch. Swing, clean, and punch. When I punch, back leg twists. And move number 3. We did in the warm up, regular swing. Then we go back up, figure of 8. We swing and clean, press the other way, and 2-handed swing. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So through the middle, elbow close to the body, curl, and punch away. Curl, punch. Curl, punch. So I'm loading the squat. Kettlebell through the legs. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that second move. We swing, clean, punch. Let's go. Swing, clean, punch. Swing, clean, punch. Swing, clean, punch. So remember when I punch, I twist the leg, rotate across. Swing, clean, punch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2-handed swing. Feet right side is hip width. Let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. We go back to that figure of 8. Remember, feet are wide, through the middle, elbows stay close to the body. Let's go. Figure of 8, curl, figure of 8, curl. Remember, you catch it, push it back. Once you push it back, through the legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing clean, rotational press. You're wearing your watch, spin it round. We don't want to smash the screen. Swing clean, punch. Are you ready? Let's go. Swing clean, punch. Swing, clean, punch. So we're going to catch it up on the forearm. Punch across the body. Swing, clean, punch. Remember, catch, punch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2-handed swing. Let's go. So we shouldn't feel any pain in the lower back. If we are, we're not driving through the floor. So push, squeeze. Let the momentum of the kettlebell power up and then drop. Don't try and control it at the top. Don't try and control it at the bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2 complete. Well done, team. We got 5 more to go. I'm joking. 3 more to go. 5 rounds in total. For round 3, we start with a halo. Remember which way you go, whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise, because the second time we do it, we'll go the other way. Second move will be a side lunge to a clean. So step out, touch, and clean. And your third move will be a single arm swing. Again, remember which arm you did. When we go through the second time, you'll swap to the other side. So halos to begin. Pick up that kettlebell, hold it by the horns, let's go. So round the head, nice and strong, keep it nice and tight, and close the body. So we squeeze that core into the middle, stand up nice and straight. Good, you got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side lunge with a clean. So we start feet together, clean position. Step wide, touch the floor. Come back in, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go, we step, touch. Come back in. So when I step into this side lunge, I'm loading through this leg. Big push back to the middle. Step. Press. Think about that range. So make sure you get nice and low. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Single arm swing. Hinge at the hip. Drive through the heels. If you haven't started, let's go. Remember, hinge, power. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. Halos. So we're going the opposite way. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. We're going the opposite way. You're going clockwise, you're going anti-clockwise. Chin is up, kettlebell around the neck. Keep those elbows tight. We're working that shoulder girdle, open it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side lunge. Remember, we step, touch, load this leg, big push. Let's go. Step, touch, big push. Step, touch, big push. Remember, no pushing with the hand. We don't want to push out of this position. It's a drive from the legs. Your hand is on your hip, that is fine, but we don't push on the leg. We don't need to add weight to those joints. We're loading that inner thigh. Glute and hamstring on the leg is working. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Single arm swing. Clean that side of the hip width. Chest up. Let's go. Hinge, push through the heels, drive the hips forward, so really push out and snap forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Recover. We got 3 rounds in. We got 2 rounds to go. Grab a drink if you need one. Okay. Round 4. We're going to start with our overhead tricep. So we extend, push to the ceiling. Second move, bend over row. So hinge, hand on the thigh, just to support, elbow close to the body. And move number 3 is especially for you, Steph. We got our bodybuilders. So we hop out, we press up, we hop in, we clean, we press. Your alternative for this move: burpee, clean, press, or just do a clean and press. Okay, overhead triceps. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we squeeze that core, we keep those elbows nice and tight, we drive up. Squeeze that core, make sure that kettlebell's nice and low behind the neck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend over row. So remember, we hinge from here, squeeze the elbow close to the body. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So give my chin lifted. I'm leaning forward. Back is nice and straight. Hand is just resting on the thigh. And I squeeze that kettlebell and the elbow close to the body. So, chest up, back straight, squeeze. And do it this arm so you can see. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bodybuilders. So we hop out, we press up, we hop in, we clean, we press. Complex move, compound move, putting loads of moves together. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we hop out, press up, hop in, clean, press. If you feel unsteady on the kettlebell, you can always burpee. Come up, clean, press. Remember, when you do the burpee, bring the feet in either side of the kettlebell. Power off the floor and push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Overhead triceps. Back to the top. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So make sure that kettlebell drops nice and low. Elbows bend. Keep those elbows fixed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend over row. Hinge. Support, chest up, back straight. Squeeze, let's go. So remember, we don't want to twist. Chest is up, back is straight, abs are braced. Pulling through. Elbow close to the body. We want to feel those lats. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second time of bodybuilders. If you're doing that clean and press on your right arm, you're now using your left. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up, press up. Feet in, clean, press. Reset, out, press up, in, clean, press. Remember, if you don't feel comfortable on the kettlebell, come to the side, burpee, feet land either side, clean, press. Up to you how you feel. Just burpee, we'll go for the full compound movement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Recover. Catch your breath. 4 down, we've got 1 round to go. So, for round 5, we're going to start with a windmill. So for a windmill, you grab the kettlebell at the bottom. If it's at the bottom, turn the toes. Looking up at the hand, up and down. If you want to go a little bit harder, toes turn away from the kettlebell, it's at the top, and you slide your hand down your inside leg. So that's your option for a windmill. Second move, chest press. We're just going to punch out to the front. And your third move, alternating swing. Hinge, power through the heels, switch your hands in the air. Then we'll wiggle the other way, chest press, and alternating swing. Are you ready? So windmills. Turn the toes towards the kettlebell, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So I'm always looking up at the hand. When I drop the kettlebell down, I rotate, look up at the hand. I'm trying to keep my legs straight. My hips push away at the bottom and to the middle as I rise. Remember, if that kettlebell's at the top, slide your hand down your inside leg as low as you can go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chest press. Punch the front. Hold that kettlebell by the ball. Let's go. Punch it out. Nice and strong in that core. Squeeze that belly button to the middle. Trying to rock too much. Punch it out. Chin is lifted. Squeeze and punch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We alternate the swing. So move 3, alternate the swing. Let's go. Hinge. Squeeze your hands to the top. So it's super important now, if you're getting tired, to hinge, push to the floor, snap the hips forward. Hinge, push to the floor, snap the hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We windmill the other way. So if it's at the bottom, turn those toes to face it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So I'm looking up at the hand. As I drop down, my hips are moving out, pushing away from the body. I come up, I drop, up, drop. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chest press. Let's go. Feet under the hips. Punch to the front. Chin lifted. Chest up. Punch it through. Squeeze that core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last move of the workout. Alternating swing. Feet are outside your hip width. Let's go. Hinge. Switch. The hands at the top of the swing. Remember, palms in the floor. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We are 5 rounds complete. We are going to cool down. Well done. We're going to rotate across the torso. Nice and light and loose. So open up that thoracic spine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to come back into that middle. We're going to push out. Good, we're going to bring those hands to the hips. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Open up that chest. Good. We do a few shoulder rolls. Whilst there, we get those feet moving. We'll change direction. We'll go out of the way. Loosen up those shoulders. Good. Change arms. And change direction. Good. You want to hold towards them, you can do. We're going to do quads. The chest is up, knees are together. 3, 2, 1. Let's change legs. Go up that wall. Knees together, chest up. Good. Come back in, hamstrings. So back leg is bent, front leg is straight, hands on the thighs. Just stretch there. Whilst there, we'll take some nice deep breaths. Swing through the nose and out through the mouth. And change legs. So sit back, bum down, legs straight, lift your toe off the floor if you want to work the calf. Deep breaths. Into the nose, out through the mouth. Good, we're going to come back out, we're going to go one foot in front of the other, we're going to push to the calves, hands on your hip, push down, keep the back leg straight. And then we're going to change legs. So we're pushing back to that heel, chest up. And relax. We'll workout complete. Thank you very much for taking part. Hopefully you enjoyed the workout. We hope to have you back soon. In the meantime, we'll keep as many workouts going and vary them as often as we can. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.